farming. Hello dear farmers and agribusiness learners. Welcome to AngelicaAgri, where we talk about practical, life-changing pig farming knowledge. Today we are answering a very important question. What do you need before starting pig farming? Before we dive in, let's take a moment to reflect together. Have you ever seen someone buy 5 pigs, only for all of them to die after 6 months? Or someone who built a beautiful pigsty, but had no reliable source of feed? This is where many farmers start on the wrong foot. Not because they lack passion or motivation, but because their preparation was not complete. What you must know before starting pig farming. 1. Vision and purpose. Pig farming is not only about buying pigs, it is a journey that requires purpose and clarity. Ask yourself, why do I want to become a pig farmer? Is it for income? To create jobs in your community? To feed your family? Your answer will shape your entire business. 2. Land and location. Choose a location that is away from crowded houses, safe from wastewater coming from households, clean and well ventilated, close to clean water. Your environment determines the health of your pigs. 3. Proper housing, shelter and hygiene. Pigs do not like dirt. A proper pigsty must include a feeding and watering area, a dry sleeping area, a place to dispose of waste. Cleanliness is essential because most pig diseases come from poor hygiene. 4. Feed and water. Pigs grow well when they have constant access to clean water, a balanced, nutritious diet. If you want to mix your own feed, make sure it includes enough protein, vitamins, and fiber. For example, black soldier fly larvae are an excellent low-cost protein source. 5. Starting capital. You don't need millions to start. Even 2 or 3 pigs can take you far if you manage them well. Prepare 4 basic budgets. Budget for building the pigsty. Budget for 6 months of feed. Budget for medicines and hygiene. Budget to buy healthy pigs with known genetics, landrace, duroc, Peartrain, etc. 6. Training and guidance. Never start pig farming without advice. Consult experienced farmers, attend trainings, learn from experts. Knowledge reduces losses. 7. Market and management. Ask yourself, who am I producing for? Local village market? Pork traders? National or export market? Knowing your market early will guide your branding, production capacity, and profitability. Key takeaway. Understanding these principles before starting pig farming is like building a house on a strong foundation. If you skip this step, you risk slow growth and stunting, frequent disease outbreaks, losing money and motivation. But with good preparation, your farm can become a sustainable, profitable enterprise. Thank you so much for listening to this episode of AngelicaAgri. If you want to learn more about pig nutrition, feed formulation, or how to start your agribusiness professionally, visit our YouTube channel at AngelicaAgri and subscribe. Share this video so others can benefit too. Remember, starting small with good preparation can lead to big results. Your time is now. Start today.
From the soil of our dreams to the hands that never tire, we rise each morning with the sun, building hope, lifting fire.
Every seed we plant today tells a story in the clay. Faith and courage guide our hands, turning earth to golden lands. AngelicaAgri, the life we share. feed, we help life grow. Together we shine, together we know the seeds of tomorrow start to grow.
We teach, we build, we innovate.
We lift each soul, we lift each soul, we cultivate.
With every hand a future born.
From early dawn till golden morn. When the night feels long and cold, our hearts still guard the dreams we hold. Through every trial, every rain, we plant the faith that breaks the chain. AngelicaAgri, the hearts we grow. Together strong, our spirits flow. From sea to sky, from earth to land, we'll build the world again and again. Style change.